number 3. Start up high, nice and slow. Round and round we go, go, go. Make a curve for all to see. Great job tracing, number 3. Trace, trace, number 3. Come and learn with TumTum and me. Curve at the top, curve at the bottom, yay! That's number 3. Hold your marker nice and tight. Tracing numbers feels so right. One big curve, then one more. Now we've made a number 3. Can you trace it in the air? Wave your fingers everywhere.